This video shows the process automation for verifying insurance eligibility to identify active coverage. To start, the bot exports a patient list from Cerner to an Excel spreadsheet containing patient names and insurance carriers. The process begins by logging into the web portal associated with the patient's insurance carrier. In this example, the web portal is One HealthPort as the patient's coverage is Medicaid. The bot selects the domain and profile in the Provider One portal. As a Medicaid patient, the bot performs an eligibility inquiry in Provider One using the patient name or Provider One ID and the patient date of birth. The bot checks the eligibility or benefit information code to determine the status of the patient's insurance. If the insurance coverage is inactive, the patient information is written to an activity log. If the benefit information code identifies that the coverage is still active, no entries are recorded. This activity log can then be used as the basis to review overall insurance coverages. If the patient is not a Medicaid patient, then the bot uses OneSource to check the appropriate insurance portal to retrieve the insurance status. Which portal to access is determined by the value of the insurance carrier in the Excel list pulled from Cerner. OneSource allows access to multiple insurance portals for verification. For any status where the insurance is inactive, ineligible, or there is information missing in the status check, the bot writes an entry to the activity log. The data written to the log includes the eligibility status and any reason for error. This process is repeated for every patient until all active patients on the list have been processed. The automation is run at the end of a month and the beginning of the next month to allow comparison and reporting of patients which may have fallen out of active coverage. Because this verification process requires signing into multiple portals to retrieve information, the process is very manual, time-intensive, and prone to human error. However, managing the status of insurance verifications from month to month reduces the overall number of denials. Automating the process frees up hundreds of hours of staff time. If you would like to learn more about automation and the many benefits which can be realized by your organization, please contact us.